this, huh? Hello! She isn't the only one who's feeling a little heated by being misunderstood, okay?
And yet another wounded foe.
Whoa! You see the severity of my situation, can't you? How I've been misunderstood by the god!
Petty, insignificant, and awkwardly flamboyant.
Hey, who's so dark and
What?
ugly, huh?
Two at a time?
I demand you let me in, or out. Which is it?
Okay, kindly let him know I was here first.
Listen, you hovering apparition. I've been dreadfully misunderstood. I should have been Sultan!
Oh, wow. You need a little cheese to go with that.
Silence!
Okay, I'm cool. I'm calm. I'm cool. Oh, hey, whoever's knocking, get mine. I was here first. Okay.
I dare any to challenge all that I have to endure.
Dismissed, rejected,
And,
publicly humiliated.
Banished and exiled and practically starving.
Cats and headbands and cars by giving so much the sideways glad.
Oh no, more than free? How can it be? So miserably unfair.
It's all really good. It's just a little respect.
You guys know who I am.
I was the Grand Vizier of Andorra!
Agency is brutal.
Oh, that it has come to this. I'm surrounded by
You misunderstand me most of all. The name in the mirror is mine, and mine alone!